Welcome back, traders. Let's talk about automation. Had several questions this week about trading bots. Now, I train everything automation, whether it be thinkorswim, IBKR, and then also about creating trading bots. So Austin over here at Option Auto Trader has created a very simple trading bot that you could actually not only follow built-in strategies, but also create your own strategies. So I'm going to walk you through this and show you a little bit about it. So as you can see, you can create your own auto trader if you have a strategy, as an example, that maybe is on TradingView. And maybe this is a bullish type of trading strategy that you have on TradingView. You can actually create a strategy utilizing any ticker as well as futures, SPX, etc. You could create that strategy, hook it up to TradingView, and have the automation on TradingView trigger your bot. So this is really cool for those do-it-yourselfers that have your own strategy. Now, let's say you're an experienced trader that really likes to do back testing and likes to premium sell. Well, what Austin's done here is he's created 13 different strategies that already are assigned trading bots. And so you could look over these strategies and you can pick a trading bot that you like. Now, one of the best features I think that this service has is that it has trading bots on a paper trading account, which means that you could take the strategies that are already pre-built as a premium seller, as an example. And these are advanced strategies, people. I just want to make sure that you know these are advanced. These are not beginner strategies. And you can actually dive in and start paper trading these strategies to see if this would be something of a strategy that you would like. Not only that, but all the strategies actually have been back tested and are connected to Option Omega, which is another favorite services that I often use. Option Omega backtesting is great. And it's great for the retail trader. By the way, if you use TMS for Option Omega, is this software right here, you can get 50% off your subscription. Now that's to backtest. So if you're a backtesting freak like me, you're going to love it. And if you're not, at least they provided basically kind of a snapshot of how long that this has been backtested and also what the results have been, right? So you could kind of see here, it says January of 2015 to 2025. If you don't have a subscription to optionomega.com, no worries. You can just kind of read from here the parameters that they're using. But if you do have a subscription to Option Omega, you can then open up this back tester and then you can modify it. So if I didn't want all of these, this is a long period of time that he has back tested, right? 10 years. If I didn't want that and I was like, well, how is this strategy doing in the last 3 months as an example, right? I could then change the backtesting dates. I can also change the variables as an example, and then I can take a look and see, oh, this is a very specific trade that only in the last 3 months actually activated one time. It's good for me to know that, this thing is not going to be activating each and every day, but it has some variables that need to be met before this actually starts to go. So these types of backtest can really help you make a decision on which strategy you want to choose. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is that he's kind of separated these 13 strategies to help you kind of identify, starter bots as an example. And he gives you kind of the average loss as well as the average win and how long the time that it takes and what the win rate is for that period of time that he's backtested. So these are for large periods of time. I really do recommend it as a backtester. It's always good to know what a trading strategy is doing for a long period of time, but then you kind of want to be able to identify the market environment. And so you can shorten that time period up. And that's why, of course, I have a subscription to Option Omega because I do backtesting. So again, also with Option Auto Trader, TMS, you get $100 off your first month. You can't beat that. That's a great incentive to give this bot a try. But if you're an advanced trader looking for some strategies that you can easily just kind of click, you could put it into a trading paper account. You can actually take a look at that and evaluate each one of these bots for a period of time before you actually dive into something. You can also do that with your own bot that you're creating. Maybe it's connected to TradingView, one of your charts that you can actually set an alert to and have it enter the trade for you. This is great, I think, for any beginner bot trader because a lot of these services don't have paper trading bots. And what ends up happening is you start making mistakes, and those are costly mistakes in a live account. The nice thing here is that you can try out strategies, you can fine tune your own trading strategy if you have one, and then you can go about it in a more effective, efficient way, I believe, as a bot trader. If you have any questions, my contact's in the description below. Remember, it's easy, TMS. And you get a discount on Option Omega as well as Option Auto Trader. $100 off on Option Auto Trader and 50% off on Option Omega. So really nice discounts. All right, guys. If you have any questions, you could call me at the office. I'm all about all types of automations, including using your own platform to automate your trades during the weekend and let them play out during the week. Set it and forget it. I love that strategy as well. Talk to you on the next video.